In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add music in Notion. Adding music to your Notion pages can really transform your workspace. Whether you want to set a specific mood, enhance your focus with background tunes, or simply personalize your dashboards. It's a fantastic way to make your Notion experience even more engaging. And thankfully, it's surprisingly straightforward to do. So, let's dive right in and get your Notion pages singing. Step 1. Choose your music source. First, decide where your music will come from. Notion supports embeds from popular services like Spotify, YouTube, SoundCloud. Head over to your preferred platform and find a song, playlist, or album you want to embed. Look for the share option. Depending on the service, you might copy a direct link or an embed code. For Notion, a direct share link usually works best. Copy it to your clipboard. Tip: if you're embedding a YouTube playlist, it will play sequentially right within Notion, which is great for long work sessions. Step 2. Embed the music in Notion. Open the Notion page where you'd like to embed your music. Find the exact spot on the page where you want the music player to appear. You have two options. Type a /height to open the block menu and search for embed, or simply paste the copied music link directly onto the page. If you use the .height embed command, a block will appear prompting you to paste your link. Once pasted, Notion usually recognizes the link automatically and presents options like Embed Link, or Create Bookmark. Click Embed Link. Notion will then display an interactive music player directly on your page. Step 3. Customize the player. You can resize the player by hovering over the embed block. Handles will appear around the edges. Click and drag to adjust the width and height, making it fit seamlessly into your page layout. Pro tips: embed ambient playlists or focus music for deep work sessions on dashboards or project pages. Create a mood page with multiple music embeds to switch between genres or productivity vibes. Combine music embeds with habit trackers, calendars, or task lists to make your Notion workspace both functional and enjoyable. For collaborative pages, team members can also play embedded tracks if they have access to the music service. And just like that, you have a fully functional music player right within your Notion workspace, ready to play your chosen tracks while you work. If this video helped you bring some awesome tunes to your Notion pages, please give it a thumbs up. And do you have any favorite playlists you've embedded in Notion? Let me know in the comments below. For more helpful Notion tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.